Hi everyone, my name is Iona and I'm a garden interpreter here at Royal Botanical Gardens. Today I'm in Hendry Park, specifically in Veggie Village, which is one of my favorite garden areas in Hendry Park. Veggie Village is set up to demonstrate different kinds of gardening styles ranging from kitchen window all the way to large garden plots. Today we're going to talk about how no matter what kind of space you have, you can grow your own food. Growing your own food is very beneficial, both for you and the environment. It helps to cut back on your carbon footprint because it reduces the amount of time and space that your food has to travel when it gets to the grocery store. And it also is more nutritious for you because once you pick food, it starts to lose its nutrition. So let's go explore and see what we can find.
This year's feature bed is a 4-course garden. Each quadrant of the garden is one course. There's an appetizer, salad, main course, and dessert. The 4-course meal garden showcases how you can grow most of the ingredients required for a completely plant-based meal. On each of the quadrants is a sign with the recipe. When you visit the garden, make sure to take pictures of those signs so you can try these recipes out at home. Let's take a closer look at one of the courses, the dessert course. The dessert is a strawberry and icebox melon parfait. In the bed we have watermelon, cantaloupe, strawberries, apple mint, and viola flowers. The watermelon and cantaloupe are the base for the parfait, while the strawberries and apple mint make a nice light strawberry sauce. Once layered, the parfait is complete with viola flowers for garnish, which also taste wonderful. This is Sandra's patio, and it showcases how you can grow food in a small space. You can plant foods such as edible flowers and nice planters like the ones placed here that replace annuals. Edible flowers like lavender, nasturtiums, or pansies create a beautiful atmosphere on your patio, and you can eat them too. Strawberries have a stunning flower and foliage that create edible interest in your planters. If you have a neighbor close by and you might want a bit of privacy, try planting sunflowers early in the summer to create a natural and beautiful flower screen. Sunflowers come in many varieties of different colors, shapes, and sizes, so you can pick the best variety for your space. These ice cream sunflowers are compact and are a lovely creamy yellow color. This garden is focused on maximizing space and your dollar. If you are living in an apartment, you can even use your balcony to grow vegetables. First thing to note is that you don't have to buy planters. We have a variety of different vegetables and herbs growing in recycled objects like tins, recycled watering cans, and all sorts of different planters. This garden also showcases how one can use vertical spaces for plants. It even features a rain collection system where rain is collected into a barrel and that water can be reused to water your plants. Belinda's Terrace is all about adding different textures and layers to your garden. A garden full of edible plants can look just as nice as flowers. Artichokes, kale, and sunflowers add a variety of textures and colors and look wonderful planted at different heights. Raised garden beds like these are a great option for rooftop gardens or balconies, especially if you want to plant deep root vegetables. Deep root plants like squash provide food from summer to fall and can be planted in one of these raised garden beds. This garden displays how you can grow vegetables on your front lawn. Many of the plants here are trendy versions of their originals, and they show off the ornamental value of vegetables. Here we have celery, sunflowers, corn, and squash, as well as a variety of pole beans and potatoes. If you can't eat all of your food plants, front lawn gardens create a great opportunity for community gardens by displaying a free food sign out front.
No matter what kind of space is available to you, you can grow edible plants. Whether it's a small planter on your kitchen windowsill, a patio or a balcony, a terrace, or even a front yard, there's always room for plants. Thank you for joining me on this tour of Veggie Village. I hope you learned something new. Have a wonderful day.